Hey guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new here, thanks for stopping by to watch. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Today we're diving headfirst into the wonderful world of keto desserts. That's right, you heard me correctly. We're about to make 5 incredible keto desserts that will blow your mind and satisfy your sweet tooth without all the carbs and sugar. Get your aprons ready, because we're about to embark on a culinary journey filled with deliciousness. We'll break down each recipe step by step, so even if you're a baking novice, you can follow along with ease. Let's get started. All right, let's kick things off with a classic keto cheesecake. First, we need to make the crust. Combine 1.5 cups of almond flour, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a pinch of salt in a bowl. Press this mixture into a spring-form pan, making sure it's nice and even. Now for the cheesecake filling. In a separate bowl, beat together 16 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 cup of erythritol, 2 large eggs, and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. Make sure everything is well combined and smooth. Pour this heavenly mixture over the crust and pop it in a preheated oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit for about 50 to 60 minutes. You'll know it's ready when the center is just slightly jiggly. Once it's done, let it cool completely before refrigerating for at least 4 hours, or even better, overnight. Trust me, the anticipation is worth it. Next up, we're making some seriously addictive keto almond brittle. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. We don't want any sticking. In a saucepan, combine 1/2 cup of sliced almonds, a 1/4 cup of melted butter, and a 1/4 cup of erythritol. Cook this mixture over medium heat, stirring constantly until the erythritol melts and the almonds turn a beautiful golden brown. We're talking caramelized perfection, people. Pour the molten goodness onto the prepared baking sheet and spread it out evenly with a spatula. While it's still hot, sprinkle a pinch of sea salt over the top. Let the brittle cool completely, and then break it into irresistible shards. Seriously, try not to eat it all at once. Get ready for some serious chocolate indulgence with this keto chocolate cake. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and grease and flour a cake pan. In a large bowl, whisk together 1.5 cups almond flour, 1/2 cup cocoa powder, 1/2 cup erythritol, 1/2 cup melted coconut oil, 4 eggs, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Mix everything until it's just combined, then pour the batter into your prepared pan. Bake for about 25 to 30 minutes, or until a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean. While the cake is baking, let's whip up a simple chocolate ganache frosting. In a saucepan, heat 1/2 cup of heavy cream over medium heat. Once it's hot, pour it over 4 ounces of chopped dark chocolate and let it sit for a minute to melt. Whisk the ganache until it's smooth and glossy. Once the cake has cooled completely, frost it generously with this decadent ganache. Time for a taste of fall with this incredible keto apple pie. Let's start with the crust. In a bowl, combine 1.5 cups of almond flour, 1/4 cup of melted butter, 1 tablespoon of erythritol, and a pinch of salt. Press this mixture into a pie plate, creating an even crust. For the filling, peel and slice 3 cups of apples. Toss them in a bowl with 1/4 cup of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a pinch of nutmeg. Spoon this delicious apple mixture into the crust and dot with 1 tablespoon of butter. Now for the topping, combine 1/2 cup of almond flour, 1/4 cup of chopped pecans, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter in a bowl. Sprinkle this crumble over the apples and bake the pie in a preheated oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 45 to 50 minutes. The aroma alone is worth the wait. Last but not least, we're making keto blueberry muffins that are perfect for breakfast or a quick snack. Preheat your oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit and line a muffin tin with paper liners. In a large bowl, whisk together 2 cups of almond flour, 1/2 cup of erythritol, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 teaspoon of salt. In a separate bowl, whisk together 4 eggs, 1/2 cup of melted coconut oil, and 1/2 cup of unsweetened almond milk. Add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients and mix until just combined. Gently fold in 1 cup of fresh blueberries. Divide the batter evenly among the muffin cups and bake for 18 to 20 minutes. Once they're golden brown and a toothpick inserted into the center comes out clean, they're ready to devour. All right, guys, we've done it. 5 amazing keto desserts that prove you can still enjoy sweets while living that low-carb life. From the creamy cheesecake to the crunchy brittle, the rich chocolate cake, the comforting apple pie, and the convenient blueberry muffins, there's something here for everyone. Remember, baking is all about experimenting and having fun, so don't be afraid to get creative with these recipes. Try different flavor combinations, toppings, and decorations. Let your inner pastry chef run wild. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and leave a comment below, letting me know which recipe you're most excited to try. Until next time, happy baking.